Hello friends, welcome to Audiobook Daily. Today we'll talk about The Power of Meditation, Timothy Murray. The first Monday of January felt heavier than any other day of the year. Snow covered the streets in silence, but inside Ananya's small apartment, the noise never stopped. Her alarm clock, her crying toddler, unread work emails, and the constant weight of expectations. She was a full-time marketing executive, a mother of two, a wife, and a woman who hadn't taken a real breath in years. New Year's resolutions sat untouched in her notebook. Be calmer. Be present. Be happy. But reality looked different. Her mornings were rushed. Her nights were restless. Her mind never slept. She loved her family, but somewhere between meetings, deadlines, and school lunches, she had lost herself. That winter morning, while waiting for her coffee, Ananya noticed a small book on the table, The Power of Meditation, by Timothy Murray. Her husband had bought it for her after seeing how exhausted she'd become. She opened it out of curiosity. And unknowingly, she opened the door to a new life. A simple practice, a powerful change. The book didn't promise magic. It didn't demand hours of silence. It simply asked for 10 minutes. 10 minutes to sit. 10 minutes to breathe. 10 minutes to be present. Timothy Murray explained how meditation wasn't about escaping life. It was about facing life with clarity. He wrote about calming the nervous system, letting go of mental noise, becoming aware of thoughts instead of fighting them, finding peace in ordinary moments. Ananya decided to try. Not tomorrow. Not next week. That night. Her first real breath in years. After the kids fell asleep and the house went quiet, Ananya sat on the edge of her bed. No candles. No music. Just her breath. Her mind raced at first, work stress, school worries, unfinished tasks. But slowly, something shifted. Her shoulders relaxed. Her breathing softened. Her heart felt lighter. For the first time in years, she wasn't thinking about what she had to do next. She was just being. And that felt powerful. Days turned into weeks. 10 minutes became her daily ritual. She started noticing small changes. She reacted less, responded more. She listened to her children instead of rushing them. She slept better. She smiled more. She felt calmer, even on chaotic days. Meditation didn't remove her responsibilities. It changed how she carried them. Timothy Murray's message was clear. Peace is not found outside. It's created inside. Work without burnout. At the office, Ananya noticed something surprising. While others were stressed and reactive, she felt grounded. She paused before responding to emails. She focused better in meetings. She handled pressure without panic. Her manager noticed. "You seem different," he said. "Calmer. More confident." Ananya smiled. She wasn't doing more. She was being more present. A better mother, a happier home. At home, her children felt the change too. She stopped scrolling on her phone during dinner. She listened to their stories. She laughed with them. Her youngest hugged her one night and said, "Mom, you're happier now." And she was. Not because life became easier, but because she became stronger inside. The true power of meditation. Timothy Murray taught that meditation isn't about perfection. It's about awareness. Not silence, but clarity. Not escape, but presence. Ananya learned to observe her thoughts instead of drowning in them. Stress still came. Problems still existed. But peace became her foundation. By the end of January, Ananya rewrote her resolutions. Be present. Protect my peace. Choose calm. Love myself. Breathe deeply. Her life didn't change overnight. She did. And that changed everything. In a world that celebrates hustle, meditation teaches stillness. In a life full of noise, meditation creates clarity. And in a heart full of stress, meditation plants peace. Thank you for listening. If you like the audio, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in next Audiobook Daily.